Hey, what's up? Some days ago we posted the video about CHOETECH T517 wireless earbuds. You can watch it by the link in description. I also have another product from CHOETECH company, and this is a magnetic wireless charger. Its main feature is compatibility with Apple MagSafe technology. In other words, you can use CHOETECH wireless charger with iPhone 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro Max, as well as MagSafe phone cases. However, you can also charge other devices with wireless charging support, for example, Google and Samsung phones. Okay, let's do unboxing, a review and charging test of CHOETECH T517 Magnetic Wireless Charger. So the box of CHOETECH Wireless Charger looks like this. On the front we can see the main features of this device, such as magnetic wireless charger, ultra-thin design, wire included and charging protection. On the back there is information about model, input and output power. You can also read about compatibility of this charger. Inside the box you will find a wireless charger itself, power adapter and user manual. By the way, I want to show you this picture in user manual. As you can see, you can put the phone on a wireless charger only vertically or horizontally, but not at angle. Pay attention to this, please. So one of the main features of CHOETECH Magnetic Wireless Charger is that it is very thin. The thickness of this device is only 6.7 mm. It is even thinner than my iPhone 12. Amazing! The wireless charger has built-in charging cable and it is 1.5 meters long. I want to recall you that original Apple MagSafe charger has only 1 meter cable. This is another advantage of CHOETECH device. By the way, the new wireless charger comes with 20 watts power adapter. As you know, iPhone 12 smartphones don't have adapters in the package, so you can use this one. Unfortunately, I don't have MagSafe charger from Apple, so I cannot compare it with CHOETECH wireless charger. However, I think they look very similar. Now I want to test the charging speed of CHOETECH Magnetic Wireless Charger. The manufacturer says that the charging speed of CHOETECH charger is the same as original Apple MagSafe. As I already said, I don't have MagSafe charger, so I cannot compare them. For test, I decided to charge my iPhone 12 with CHOETECH Magnetic Wireless Charger and original Lightning cable. As you can see, the smartphone was charged from 15 to 38% in 30 minutes using CHOETECH Wireless Charger. Using Lightning cable, iPhone charged by 40%, from 38 to 78% for the same time, 30 minutes. I think it is not surprising for you that charging with Lightning cable is faster than wireless. It was predictable. However, from this test we can conclude that full battery charge of iPhone 12 with CHOETECH wireless charger takes about 2 hours. It is really good result for wireless charger. Do you agree? So CHOETECH T517 Magnetic Wireless Charger is a good alternative to Apple MagSafe. First, it is cheaper. Second, it has longer charging cable. However, it has the same charging speed as original MagSafe. Another advantage of CHOETECH charger is 20 watts power adapter in the package. Finally, you can use CHOETECH wireless charger with not only iPhone and Apple products, but also any other devices with Qi wireless charging support. So what will you choose? CHOETECH Magnetic Wireless Charger or Apple MagSafe charger? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.